What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I've come up with another video answer for Memefi videos in Memegirls YouTube channel. So today's video answer is for the video title "Comfort Zone Will Kill Your Soul." So today's video code is, let's turn on caps lock first because the first letter is capital letter, so first letter is M, and let's turn off caps lock, and the rest of the letters are in small letters. So second letter is A, the third letter is R, the fourth letter is K, the fifth letter is E, and the sixth and the last letter is T. So today's code is markets. I'll wait for a couple of minutes. So guys, let's go ahead and click check the task. As you can see, guys, we got the code correctly. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So see you in the next video.